So, welcome after a long time. So today, let's open this package. It has Realme BUDS 2 wired earphones. So quickly, let's open it up. Yeah, so here it is. Let's keep this thing aside. So here's it. You can check this out. Let's open this quickly. So we gotta open this up. Okay. Here's some few additional plugs for your ears. As per your ear hole sizes, small, big, and this one has the medium thing. Let's keep this aside for now. So you gotta pull this thing up like this. Just pull them up outside like this. There you go. The cord is quite long. Yeah, this one's a good one. So this thing has magnets behind. Let's see what else we've got here. Okay, this is a quick user guide. What's in the box? Specifications, instructions. So, this is the volume button, plus, minus, and okay, previous song. Just you can't read it here. Yeah. Play, pause, music, single click. Okay, so I have to click single time for play and pause. Then, okay, double click for changing the song. Previous song, if you want the previous one, then just triple click it. Answer incoming call, single click. Reject, end call, long press. Activate voice assistant. Okay, long press, but not while calling. Okay, so his warranty, it has 6 month warranty. Okay, so you can hear the sound. I'm using the earphone mic, the microphone. So I would definitely recommend this for anybody who's wanting to buy earphone within 1000. I've used JBL and also Sennheiser. This is way better. So great earphones. 1.2 bass boost drivers. Man, what else you want within this? That was pretty much it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.